Your garage is more than just a place to park your car. It's a workspace, a storage zone, and for many of us, a personal project hub. In today's video, we're showcasing 15 of the coolest garage inventions you should see, designed to make everyday tasks easier, safer, and a whole lot smarter. From space-saving storage solutions and heavy-duty lifting tools to smart tech that upgrades convenience, these inventions can completely transform the way you use your garage. Whether you're a car enthusiast, DIY lover, or just tired of clutter, you're about to discover some seriously satisfying upgrades. Let's get started. Rolling Tire Rack. The rolling tire rack is a practical garage invention that makes tire storage and transport effortless. Built from high-quality cold-rolled steel, it's wear-resistant, corrosion-proof, and designed with smooth, rounded edges to protect your tires. The sturdy frame feels stable even when fully loaded, while 4 silent 360-degree swivel wheels, 2 with locks, make moving or securing it easy. With a comfortable push-pull handle, it can carry up to 4 tires at once, keeping your garage organized and clutter-free. At $50, it's a smart, space-saving upgrade. Overhead Garage Lifting Storage Rack. The Overhead Garage Lifting Storage Rack is a smart garage invention for anyone running out of floor space. Built from heavy-duty steel, it uses a secure double-rope lifting system and safety lock to keep stored items stable and protected. The hand crank or drill-assisted lifting design lets you raise or lower the rack without a ladder, making storage effortless. With a 4x4-foot deck and strong construction, it safely supports up to 300 pounds. At $170, it's an efficient, space-saving upgrade for any garage. Yellow Jacket 3-ton Floor Jack. The Yellow Jacket 3-ton Floor Jack is a reliable garage invention built for both convenience and performance. Its lightweight all-aluminum frame makes it easy to carry while still meeting strict ASME safety standards. With a 6,600-pound capacity, low minimum height, and high lift range, it works perfectly for cars, SUVs, and trucks. The dual piston system lifts vehicles faster with less effort, while the rubber saddle and foam handle add comfort and protection. At $250, it's a solid choice for serious garage work. VEVOR Portable Car Lift. The VEVOR Portable Car Lift is a powerful garage invention designed for serious home mechanics. Built from high-grade Q235B carbon steel, it delivers impressive stability with a 7,000-pound capacity, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, and trucks. The adjustable lifting columns and pads provide flexible height options, giving easy access underneath the vehicle. Safety is reinforced with mechanical locks and rubber grip pads that prevent slipping. Thanks to its foldable design and built-in pulleys, it's easy to move and store. At $1,465, it offers professional-grade performance at home. Garage Wall Protector. The Garage Wall Protector is a simple yet effective garage invention that helps prevent costly dents and scratches. Made from high-density EVA foam with a 1/4 inch thickness, it absorbs impacts and protects car doors, bumpers, and body panels. The self-adhesive backing makes installation quick and hassle-free. Just peel and stick. It's water-resistant, durable, odorless, and easy to clean, making it ideal for long-term use. With 2 long rolls included, it offers full coverage for tight parking spaces. At $32, it's an affordable garage essential. Smart Garage Door Opener. The Smart Garage Door Opener is a high-tech garage invention that brings convenience and security together. Powered by Genie's Aladdin Connect technology, it lets you monitor, open, and close your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. The quiet yet powerful 24-volt DC motor easily handles doors up to 850 pounds, while the built-in battery backup keeps it running during power outages. Safety is enhanced with the safe T-Pulse cable monitoring system. Its compact, wall-mounted design saves ceiling space, making it a smart upgrade at $525. Vyper Robust Steel Sport Shop Chair. The Vyper Robust Steel Sport Shop Chair is a premium garage invention built for comfort and efficiency. Its padded seat and supportive backrest help reduce back strain and improve posture during long work sessions. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, while large 3-inch industrial casters roll smoothly across garage floors without tipping. A spacious built-in tool tray keeps essentials within easy reach. With an adjustable height range from 14 to 21 inches, it offers excellent flexibility for different tasks. At $475, it's a solid upgrade for serious garage work. MaxxHaul 80746 Heavy-Duty Tire Dolly. The MaxxHaul 80746 Heavy-Duty Tire Dolly is a versatile garage invention perfect for storing and moving tires with ease. Made from rugged, high-impact polyethylene with ribbed reinforcement, it's strong and durable. The dolly can hold up to 8 tires or wheel assemblies and rotates 360 degrees for smooth maneuverability. 2 units can be linked for use as a creeper or moving lightweight furniture. Equipped with 4 3-inch non-marring swivel casters and a central storage compartment with a locking cover, it handles up to 300 pounds effortlessly. MyQ Smart Garage Door. The MyQ Smart Garage Door is a cutting-edge garage invention that combines security and convenience. Its wide-angle camera captures the full garage area, while advanced motion detection keeps you informed of any unusual activity. Real-time notifications via the MyQ app ensure peace of mind, and the optional subscription adds AI-powered alerts for people, cars, and packages. Two-way audio allows communication and monitoring, while unique PIN codes offer controlled access for family or service providers. Compatible with most openers since 1993, this smart system is a reliable upgrade at $60. At $44, it's a smart, practical garage tool. Heavy-duty rubber parking curb. The heavy-duty rubber parking curb is a practical garage invention designed to make parking precise and safe. Made from premium quality rubber, it's durable and weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance on concrete or asphalt surfaces. High-visibility reflective tape enhances nighttime safety, making it easy to see in low light. The built-in bolt receptacles simplify installation, allowing you to secure it firmly in place. This smart design helps guide your vehicle perfectly into garages or driveways, preventing accidental bumps. At $74, it's an affordable, reliable addition for any garage. TIDYME Garage Wall Organizer. The TIDYME Garage Wall Organizer is a smart garage invention designed to maximize storage and keep your space clutter-free. Featuring a double-layer hook system, it easily holds shovels, rakes, power tools, hoses, and sports gear, doubling your storage capacity. Built from solid carbon steel, it supports up to 300 pounds and resists corrosion and wear, making it ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Measuring 48 inches long with adjustable hooks, it's easy to install and reposition. At $43, it's an affordable, durable, and space-saving garage solution. Garage Parking Sensor. The Garage Parking Sensor is a clever garage invention that takes the guesswork out of parking. Using ultrasonic technology, it accurately measures distances from 6 inches to 6.5 feet, helping you park perfectly every time. Setup is simple with adhesive tape or drywall anchors, and the Set Distance button memorizes your ideal spot. Adjustable for all vehicle types and garage sizes, it works via power cord or batteries. At $30, it's a sleek, clutter-free solution that replaces tennis balls or other old-school parking tricks, making every garage smarter and safer. Hand-to Overhead Garage Storage Rack. The Hand-to Overhead Garage Storage Rack is a smart garage invention designed to maximize overhead storage. Created by a USA-based family team, its patent-pending double-rail design lets you connect multiple racks to fit any garage, shed, or workshop. Made from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, each rack supports up to 100 pounds and is built to last a lifetime. The included hardware and optional safety bolts make installation simple and secure, keeping your bins in place. At $90, it's an affordable, durable, and space-saving solution to declutter any workspace. monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. The monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount is a versatile garage invention designed to keep your bikes safe and organized. Made from heavy-duty steel, it supports up to 66 pounds and features rubber-coated hooks to protect rims, spokes, and walls from scratches. Its upgraded 150-degree swivel design allows bikes to pivot left or right, optimizing storage in tight spaces. Suitable for most bikes, including road, MTB, BMX, and e-bikes, it's ideal for garages, apartments, or sheds. Easy to install with included hardware, this $56 mount is a durable, space-saving solution. Wired Garage Heater. The wired garage heater is a powerful garage invention designed to keep your workspace comfortable year-round. With 10,000-watt fan-forced heating, it disperses warmth evenly, while heavy-gauge steel construction ensures durability in harsh conditions. Adjustable louvers, mounting bracket, and digital thermostat allow precise control of airflow and temperature from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety features include an overheat sensor and power indicator light. The heater also offers a 12-hour timer, remote control, and a fully enclosed motor for dusty environments. At $297, it's a reliable, high-performance solution for any garage.